Happy 4th of July, everyone. I'm filming this drink on 4th of July, and I've been drinking all day. What have I been drinking? The greatest drink ever, some Champale, or however you say it. Doesn't really matter. What you need is this drink in your life. First thing you're going to need is a fine plastic tiki cup. Because why? I don't know, you just need a fancy cup. Next thing you're going to need is some fine Prosecco. Why Prosecco? I don't know, because it's good. That's why. Pour half of that into your cup. Oh, Prosecco. The next thing you're going to need is some fine malt liquor that tastes like strawberry. You're going to pour that half into your cup. Oh, look at that. That right there is a 4th of July day drinking all day, drink. Cheers.